In today's fast-paced world, making daily decisions about what to eat can be overwhelming. You lot are running around like headless chickens, grabbing whatever's quick and easy, and wondering why you feel like a bloated mess. Well, listen up, because I'm about to show you how to take control of your kitchen and your life with the power of meal planning. Meal planning emerges as a powerful tool to bring structure, health, and peace of mind to your daily routine. It's not about restricting yourself. It's about being smart, organized, and bloody brilliant in the kitchen. Get ready to transform your chaotic eating habits into a well-oiled machine. We're going to break down the benefits, the strategies, and the different approaches to meal planning so you can find what works best for you. No more excuses for serving up another disastrous dinner. Listen, I run restaurants. I know a thing or two about efficiency. You think I got time to be faffing about in the kitchen every night wondering what to cook? No way. By dedicating a specific time each week to plan and prepare meals, you significantly reduce daily cooking time. Think of it as your military operation. You've got your battle plan, you've prepped your ingredients, and you're ready to execute. This approach allows for more free time during busy weekdays, meaning less time slaving over a hot stove and more time doing the things you actually enjoy. We're all under pressure, right? But the last thing you need is your dinner adding to the stress. Eliminating the daily question of what's for dinner reduces decision fatigue and the stress associated with last-minute meal preparations. No more staring blankly into the fridge, wondering what the bloody hell to make with a jar of pickles and a wilted lettuce. With a meal plan, you know exactly what you're having and when you're having it. It's a beautiful thing. Let's be honest, when you're winging it in the kitchen, it's easy to reach for the takeaway menus or shovel down a load of rubbish. Planning meals in advance encourages balanced nutrition, portion control, and the inclusion of a variety of food groups, promoting overall health. You control what goes into your body. No more hidden nasties or shockingly large portions. You're fueling your body with delicious, nutritious food that makes you feel bloody fantastic. Chapter 4. Financial savings. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on overpriced takeaways and impulse purchases. Meal planning helps avoid unnecessary grocery purchases and reduces the temptation of ordering takeout, leading to significant cost savings over time. You're only buying what you need, you're using everything up, and you're not throwing money down the drain. That's what I call a recipe for financial success. Chapter 5. Minimized food waste. Look, wasting food is a cardinal sin in my book. It's disrespectful to the ingredients, it's bad for the environment, and it's just plain stupid. By purchasing only what you need for planned meals, you reduce the likelihood of food spoiling before use, contributing to less waste. You're becoming a more conscious cook, using every last bit of your ingredients and doing your bit for the planet. Now that's something to be proud of. Chapter 6. Choosing the right meal planning duration. Listen, I get it. Not everyone's working at the same pace. That's why understanding the differences between various meal planning timeframes can help you select the one that best fits your lifestyle. Whether you're a busy professional, a family with kids running around like lunatics, or a single person just trying to get their act together, there's a meal planning duration that will suit your needs. Now, the 7-day meal plan. This one's for those of you who like to keep things fresh and exciting. It offers flexibility and allows for frequent variety in meals. But don't get complacent. This approach requires weekly planning and shopping, so stay on top of it. This plan is best for individuals or families who enjoy regular changes in their diet and have time for weekly meal prep. Chapter 8. Right, the 2-week meal plan. This one's for those who want to cut down on the planning and shopping but still want some variety. This option reduces the frequency of grocery shopping and planning sessions. However, be warned, it requires more extensive planning and storage solutions. This approach is best for those with busy schedules who prefer to plan ahead and minimize shopping trips. Chapter 9. This is it, the big one, the 4-week meal plan. This is for the serious meal preppers, the ones who want maximum efficiency and minimum fuss. This option maximizes efficiency in shopping and meal preparation, but remember, this level of organization requires commitment. You'll have less flexibility to accommodate spontaneous meal choices. This approach is best for large families or individuals seeking a highly structured meal routine. Chapter 10. Right, you've got the knowledge, now it's time to put it into practice. First, assess your schedule. Identify the days when you have time to cook and those when quick meals are necessary. Then select recipes that align with your dietary goals and time constraints. Next, create a shopping list. List all necessary ingredients to avoid multiple trips to the store, and for God's sake, prep in advance. Wash, chop or cook components ahead of time to streamline meal preparation during the week. And last but not least, stay flexible. Allow room for adjustments based on unexpected events or cravings. Meal planning is more than just organizing meals. It's a commitment to a healthier, more efficient and stress-free lifestyle. It's about taking control of your kitchen, your health and your time. It's about becoming the boss of your own plate by choosing a meal planning duration that suits your needs and implementing a structured approach. You can transform your daily routine and overall well-being. No more excuses, no more last-minute panics, no more settling for mediocre meals. You've got the tools, you've got the knowledge. Now go forth and conquer your meal planning. And remember, if you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. Just kidding, you've got this.